Hello students, here we have a development of a funnel. The funnel will be having a frustum of a cone followed by a cylinder. So first of all, we need to have the 2D sketch of the funnel, which says the top surface is of 80, the diameter is 80, and take a midpoint of that one. From the midpoint, the height they have given it as a 60. So then from here, the bottom surface is of 10 millimeter. We'll take 1 to the 10 and towards this one as a 10. So the bottom diameter, they have given it as a 20. And if you connect that one to the 80 mm, so we'll get a frustum of a cone followed by a cylinder which is of 40 length and the diameter will remain as 20. Okay, so first of all, we need to have a 2D sketch like this, and we need to check for the dimensions. What are the dimensions we have dropped here? So smart dimension. So this is of 20, and this will be of 80, and this is of 60, and this length will be of 40. So this much we need. And here, when we are going to consider the funnel, normally we consider this one with two parts here. So one will be a frustum of a cone, and one more will be the cylinder. So we can consider this like this. So just to have a clarification with respect to the dimension, we can just have it like this. So when it comes to the parts, so we can say this is as A, and this as a B. Okay. So now again to have a development of a cylinder, we'll have width as 20 and the height as 40 and angle 0. So we'll keep it here. So then we go to the smart dimension. So we'll have this as 20 and this as a 40, and say this is our part B. Okay, so as already we know, okay, when a cylinder, hollow cylinder is cut, okay, and open it up, so it will be seen as one rectangle. So we'll go to the rectangle, and the width of the rectangle will be 2 star 3.142, that is pi star the radius is now as 20, sorry, 10, enter, and the height will be equal to 40, enter, and the angle will be equal to 0. You can just enter. So this is the development of a cylinder. So you make it 0.5, move a little bit up, then do the smart dimension. So this is our width, which is 2 pi r, and this is our height. And without fail, just at the bottom, you just write here circumference will be equal to 2 star 3.142 star 10. So that will be equal to circumference is equal to 2 star 3.142 star 10. So that will be equal to 62.84 millimeter. Okay, so this is what is needed for us, and change it to the Roman. So this one, so we have found the development of cylinder here. Now if you consider the upper part, So this one, so this will be like a frustum of a cone. Okay, so now you can have the parts here itself, or else um, we can take up individually and you can do. So if the space is not sufficient, we can have it here itself. Now in order to develop this part A, we'll go to extend to next. We'll extend this line and this line. So now you can see the part A as a cone. Okay, now go to the split command. So this much we are going to take it as a reference. We just split those things and make those tip of the cone as a thin lines. Okay, so in order to develop a cone, we need a generator length. So the generator will be this one. So you can say it is 89.44. And to develop a frustum of a cone, we need this length. So you just keep that one here. So that will be seen as one is 89.44 and one was 22.36. So in order to develop a cone, we need the sweep angle. So we can say here the sweep angle will be equal to the radius, that is 40, divided by this 89.44 star 360. Okay, so that much angle. So we'll just calculate that one, maybe putting into the calculation. So now we'll just change that one with the things. Okay, so just to cross check, it will be around 40 divided by 89.44 into 360. It comes around 161 degree. So in order to insert the degree, so we can follow the character map also. So in order to do this one now, the first is we'll take a thin line, horizontal line, which is equal to the generator 89.44, enter 0. So then we go with the arc by center point. We'll take one end as a center, one end as radius, and we'll enter here to the sweep angle. That is, we can drop it once again, 40 divided by 89.44 star 360. Okay, so we will get the same arc here. So we'll move this arc a little bit up so that it will be easy for us. Now close the arc with a one line. So now this is the a cone, but we need a frustum of a cone. The frustum will be at a distance of cut at a distance of 22.36. So now what we need to do, again we'll go back to the arc by center point. From the same center, we'll take 22.36, enter. So we'll cut an arc on this way. Okay, so now we go to the split command. Split this line till the end of this one, split this line till the end of this one. So now select this arc, then these two lines, and make it 0.5. So this will be the frustum of a cone. Now go to the smart dimension, show this arc, show this one, and along with that one the angle is needed. So show the angle between this line and this line, that will be 161. So this is how exactly we are going to do the development of a frustum of a cone. Normally, in order to get a frustum of a cone, we need a cone first. For that one, we need a sweep angle, so that you can check it out here. So in order to insert the angle, so you can just go back to the character map, and here you will get this symbol. Select, copy, then come back here and paste it. Just remove the unwanted things here. we'll get the degree symbol. Okay, a simple one. So just we need to, wherever it gets a combination of two parts and all. So this is how exactly you can just cut the things into two parts and develop individually. So one cylinder will be a rectangle, and one frustum of a cone will consider by having a cone, then we'll cut accordingly.